All right, we're in. All right, here we go. This is a team deathmatch redemption with pistols and shotguns. My camera wasn't turned on at the beginning, so I just started it on the first respawn. Yeah, just wait for the next 5 guys. All right, someone's moving up in this house over here. I mentioned this in a video earlier, and here goes Matt with his helmet kill. I think he gets Johnny with a melee kill with his helmet. Are they moving up? Oh, shit. I saw that guy moving. I thought he were moving on it. I need to reload. I forgot to bring the air horn for the respawning teams. And I just got shot in the back from another team coming in. We're coming in! Huh? Well, that was super quick. All right, back to respawn.
Let's go. Ready?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Mike, they're gonna come in behind us. We know it's only a matter of time before we get spawned in behind us, so we gotta make a rush and try and take over yellow as quick as possible. Spike! Good, Joey got him. Good job, Joe. Oh.
Yeah.
Almost went down.
I want to reload it real quick. I look and see you like hunched over. I tried to do a shot. Asshole.
7 minutes. Steve-O gets into a good spot in the trench. Because a bunch of guys come down and try and shoot me, and I don't even think they realize Steve-O's there. Hey, they're right here at this bunker. I gotta reload, Joe. Hey, there's a guy just jumped in the bunker. Did you see him? Four minutes. No. We stopped the initial push of the new spawn team. So I move up here to this Kubota bunker and wait for him to come back. Here they come, Steve. Here they come, this way. There's one up, right up there, Cass. No, right to the right of Graydon. He's coming behind you. He's in the house behind you now. Steve, keep an eye on the guys up the trail. Oh. Joe gets a good shot right into my forearm as I'm poking out trying to shoot someone. Come out. Okay, they move in on Steve. They were all over him at the end. If you enjoyed, like and subscribe.